Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own custom ColdBoot image file, custom ColdBoot as standalone, I don't know, whatever you want to name it. It's a pretty simple process. It took a little bit to find somebody who actually made an application for this, because I was looking over the files for the ColdBoot and I saw that required some different image formats that I was not familiar with. So did some researching. There's just tutorials how to do it manually, but I was like, there's gotta be somebody who's created an application to make it easier that lets you import your own images and converts them to a .raw file and does all that stuff for you. So yes, I did find somebody. They've created this tool. I forget their name, but I will link it in the description below so you can download this file for yourself. But anyways guys, let's get right into the tutorial. So the first thing you're obviously gonna need is your ColdBoot installer files. I showed you this in the last tutorial. If you don't know how to do it, I'll leave a link in the description below for that video. If you don't know how to install ColdBoot, so you can get a nice little guide there for yourself. By the way, desktop update is still not going very strong. A lot of these things I'm very hesitant to delete. I'm a very desktop oriented guy. I like everything here and I don't like having to search for it, mainly because my computer is really slow and the start menu here takes ages for it to load up. So pardon for the messy desktop. But anyways, let's get to it. So here I have my custom background. Let me just load that up real quick. This works with any image file as far as I'm aware. I don't know the formats. Safe route would be JPEG and PNG. I don't know the full details of this application. Obviously I didn't make it. But here's just my desktop background and my YouTube banner. Except I just replaced the word custom and the words programming. Oh wait, this is my drawing one. Programming, and I think I have gaming here, which I don't do, but I created it a long time ago. Actually not that long ago, but different things in mind that don't apply today. So did I no? Okay, so I have custom PS3 firmware, so there's obviously a difference between this background and that background, and for us it just looks like a PS3 background. I don't know, it's just an image. You guys can do your own, but I'm gonna do this one. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is obviously there's two ways of doing this. One way would be to open this application. You just click run it, and you can run it. But the preferable way and the easy way for me, just let this load. See, this might be the easy way, but it's not the fastest way, or it's the most intuitive way. So let's just show you this way, and then I'll show you the other way, because yeah, let's go the other way. We're gonna have to search up some of my files there, and I don't want to do that. So let's just drag that here and open that with that, and that's like the PS3 export resigner tool. Some basic thing. Drag it, boom, it's loaded. So now we're just gonna wait for that to convert. It's gonna take a little while. It shouldn't take too long. It's just a short little image file. It's taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Let's wait. Oh, there it is. I was just about to say, let's go into the little time lapse and not talk. But here it is. So it gives you a little preview here. If you load up the tool, which I should have showed you guys, but I don't want to show any of my files. Which I don't know if I have anything open that's important. So we'll just do it this way. But in the tool, if you load it with the tool, you can, obviously, it gives you, not obviously, what am I talking about? What am I talking about? You can see preview of the background, and that helped, like, oh god, yeah, you can see like that. Mine cut off, so let's do that way. I'm trying not to. Let's just do it. I can cut this out. What am I talking about? I have editing power. So let's let this load. Let me delete this because I want to include the sides as well. See how I cut that out? So let's go to desktop. None of that YouTube nonsense. And let's go find this image. here it is, custom PS3 background. You can see here, if we click preview, it shows this little preview box of how it will look, and that's not how I want it because it's cutting off that. I wonder if there's a way where, there we go, if I click stretch it fits the whole thing, because you know, depending on your, you know, resolution, you know, mine's obviously 16:9, so it's perfect, but you know, yours doesn't, it might zoom, like when you press stretch, it might make it look kind of ugly and kind of squished in. Mine happens to fit. Fill, zoom, everything's, yeah, it's kind of the same, because mine fits obviously the ratio of the PS3. So let's hit convert. It's the same thing as last time, but you know, we have a little, when you click on, so yeah, I recommend just clicking on it. I don't know what I'm talking about. Just click on the tool, it's a lot easier, and now it's done, and get a little done message. It's cool as well. Let's open that. It's gonna give us that preview that we had when we were looking at it, obviously. So you can see here, oh, nice, cool file. Yes. Okay, so we're just gonna need this file here, ColdBoot. This one, you might recognize that from this tool. So 2 methods of doing this, essentially the same thing, but I don't know, some people might not know what they're doing, and you might need a dumbed down version of what the heck's going on. So this is ColdBoot file, obviously it's the same thing as this, you know, it just replaces it. One way you can do it is delete this altogether, so I'll just move it here because I don't want to delete it, and then you just drag that in there. And then if you haven't installed ColdBoot before, you know, you're new to this ColdBoot thing, you would just get these files and you would drag these into USB. Sorry, I was just thinking of like, this is, I'm essentially going to show you how to install ColdBoot all over again. So the people might have redirected to the ColdBoot installer video. They could probably just watch this one and learn, but who cares? Okay, so let's continue. You drag that in there. And by the way, I was informed by the developer that you do not need to install, drag all these files in here. It was kind of late at night, and I kind of wasn't paying attention to full first, so I didn't read the tutorial he had in his for the forum post that he posted, and I mean, I should have just read these things. Like, this is obviously the PS3 exploit installer, and this is obviously just a web page link to how you install it, like the PS3 link you click. Yeah, I'm stupid. I should have just realized that. So you only need really these 3 things. Yeah, this is what happens if you don't pay attention. And yes, he called me out on it on a forum post, and I might have been upset. Not really. So let's go to our desktop. And what was I gonna do? I completely forgot. What was it showing you? Oh wait, yeah, we dragged that in here. Oh god, I went crazy here. Right, we installed that. That's one way of doing it. Obviously, if you already have it installed, like I do on my USB drive, so let's go my USB. Obviously, we have all the files here. You don't need that. It's dumb. And just drag things that I don't need. We do need this. Do we? I think we do. I don't think this comes with hand. I don't know. I don't want to delete it just in case. I don't know. You probably already have this if you already have hand and all that stuff. If you don't have it, then I don't know if you need it. Yeah, I don't think you need. You should already have this file. Yeah. So another way you could do it is literally if this was in the folder before, you know, you just drag it in. It's the same thing. I don't know why I'm explaining this. You just need to drag this and all these essentially. Oh shoot, these are your audio files. You know, these are custom ones made by the developer. They kind of sound cool. I haven't checked out the other ones, but these sound really cool. These it's not two. I don't know. These are stereo and multi. I'm assuming it's different. Multi could maybe different speakers. I don't know. Stereo. I was thinking it was gonna be mono stereo, but I don't know. Multi might mean surround sound. I have no idea. Don't take that for my word. I don't know if that's true. So yeah, it's just, did I drag in there? I don't think I did. So just drag that in there. Just drag, yeah, and then you're gonna replace the file. Okay, let's put this back in here. Oh no, I have many copies. Let's delete this because this is my backup ColdBoot installer, which you probably want if you want to restore things back to normal. Make sure you store one of these so that you can go back to your regular old PS3. Yeah, and that's it. Now we dragged it onto a USB, and now let's go to the PS3 and see how it goes. Okay guys, now we're on the PS3, and the first thing you want to do is not enable hand actually, because you don't need it. I think I also got called out for the, but I got called out to the developer saying, hey, you don't need to install hand, but enable hand, by the way, which, you know, should figured. It's not a custom signed package. You don't need to enable it, so we're gonna go into package manager, obviously, the standard, and we're just gonna wait. What am I? Yeah, I'm doing this wrong. I'm thinking of another tutorial. Sorry, guys. We're gonna go to our internet browser. So let's do that. We're gonna go to ps3exploit.com. Let me go to the right website. Oh, so now we're gonna click go here and run this tool. Now we're gonna go here, and then yes, it's compatible. Yes, then we're gonna go to our USB. Correct one, USB 0. Lets you choose the USB you're using. Mine is 0. 0 is the one at the most right. So you know, the most right on your PS3. I don't know if you get that, but yeah. So we're gonna initialize the tool, and we wait for that. Usually doesn't take that long. Hopefully it won't. And now it is done initializing. Okay. So it failed. Sad to see. So if your initialization failed, or the tool failed, just want to save it as a bookmark, and then you're gonna want to obviously set it as your home page. So now if I restart my browser, you can see that, yep, I'm back to here. Let's just make sure that the cache resets, making the program less vulnerable to fails. So we're just gonna reinitiate this. Okay, initialization is done, and let's try again and launching it. There you go. Oh god, thought it wasn't gonna work. PS3 turns off, and now let's pray that we have the custom boot. I haven't actually tried this, so if it doesn't work, this might be a failed tutorial. You might never ever see it. I'll probably try it. Just, oh, look at that, it works. Oh god, kinda looks a little weird. Probably not the best image. I should probably change that to a transparent one. It looks kind of just funky. But yeah, it worked. There you go. Probably do a transparent one after this video. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Quick tutorial. Hopefully this took like 20 minutes to record because of all the errors and of all my commentary, I guess. Hope you guys found it useful. And hope to see you guys customizing your PS3. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video.